Hello, here's something I can just show you in as it's happening. I'm doing a bit of plastering over there. You've got condensation in the windows. Doing a bit of plastering there as well. Little patch, just a bit of failure. Right, what's happened? We've got a radiator here. The radiator is emitting warm air. We've got warm air in the room. I'm plastering and putting quite a bit of water in. The plaster's got quite a bit of water in, it's hotlime, so it's steaming. And then we've got window with no condensation because of the warm air. And then as it cools, all the water in the air condenses on the cold part, and that's up there. So it's actually cooler, or the air's cooler there where that window is, which is so that the air can't hold the amount of water that it can lower. So where it hits the cold part, all the water gets jettisoned out on that cold bit. There's no radiator below that one. So all that window's condensated. But when you touch it, when you actually touch it like this, the water then runs downwards. So, if you imagine all that water in that air condensing on that cold part, now imagine now that wall is the cold part. So imagine high ground levels or whatever reason that masonry and the mortar that's keeping the masonry apart is cold and wet. That then becomes the cold part, and if you put gypsum on it, it's going to trap the water in, so it can never dry out. So you get then condensation, because it's cold, can form on the wall, and as it forms on the wall, it drips down. It'll drip down, drip down, drip down, drip down, and make that even colder and wetter. And if you've then got gypsum, that gypsum can never dry out. That's what people think's rising damp. Well, it isn't rising damp, it's condensation. So there's a few ways. Maintain ground levels, lime plaster will help draw moisture out. Extractors, keeping a window open. I think that's a good illustration of how much moisture is in the air and how it condenses on the coldest parts. Thank you.